Mastering Household Budgets, a symphony of savings with Granny Betty. Raising Happy Hearts. Greetings, Happy Hearts extended family. Granny Betty here, your beacon of joy and the architect of familial wisdom. Today we're embarking on a thrilling odyssey through the labyrinth of household budget mastery. So fasten your seatbelts because we're about to transform budgeting from a mundane task into a symphony of financial finesse. One embracing the budget. Imagine you, me, and a budget. A trio destined for greatness. Crafting a budget is akin to composing a symphony. Each note must harmonize with the others. Step 1. Tailor that budget to fit your family like a bespoke suit. Let's get cozy with those numbers, shall we? The key is to understand your family's unique needs and aspirations. A well-fitted budget sets the stage for financial success. Unlocking the Thrifty universe. Ever wondered about the mystical world of thriftiness? It's not about mere penny pinching. It's about becoming a virtuoso of frugality. Join me as we unravel the secrets to scoring deals that'll make your wallet do the cha-cha. Thrift stores are like magical realms waiting to be explored. Unearth hidden gems that add flair to your home or wardrobe, all without unleashing havoc on your bank account. Sarcasm, the budget's sidekick. Now let's delve into the realm of sarcasm, my trusty sidekick. Did you know it's not just a language, but a secret weapon for saving money? Watch closely as I unveil how a dash of wit can be your ally in keeping those dollars secure. Why empty your pockets on fancy coffee when you can whip up a stellar brew at home? Your wallet will sing with joy, and who knows, you might even become the neighborhood's coffee connoisseur. Crafting happy hearts together. Beyond the dollars and cents, my cherished happy hearts, lies the true treasure. Creating a home brimming with love and joy. Budgeting is not just about managing money, it's about weaving a tapestry of happiness. Share the love. Pass this video to your friends and family. Together, let's build a vibrant community of happy hearts. Because when we share, we don't just multiply joy. We fortify the bonds that make life extraordinary. The art of meal planning. Now let's talk meal planning, the unsung hero of budgeting. A well-thought-out meal plan not only saves you money, but also transforms your kitchen into a culinary wonderland. Plan your meals like a maestro orchestrating a symphony. It not only reduces food waste, but also turns every meal into a celebration. DIY decor on a dime. Ready for some DIY magic? Spruce up your living space without burning a hole in your pocket. I'll reveal some nifty tricks to turn everyday items into budget-friendly decor masterpieces. Who needs expensive decor when you can create a Pinterest-worthy home with a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of thriftiness? The fine art of negotiation. Negotiation, the secret sauce to getting what you want without emptying your pockets. Whether it's haggling at the flea market or striking a deal on services, I'll teach you the art of negotiating like a pro. Negotiation is an art form. Master it, and watch your savings soar while still enjoying life's little luxuries. 8. Fun on a budget. Who says fun has to come with a hefty price tag? I'll share a plethora of budget-friendly activities that will keep the whole family entertained without draining your wallet. From picnics in the park to game nights at home, the possibilities for frugal fun are endless. Let's make memories without breaking the bank. 9. Mastering the grocery store game. Navigating the grocery store can be a battlefield, but fear not. I'll equip you with strategies to conquer the aisles, avoid impulse buys, and leave with a cart full of savings. From shopping sales to embracing store brands, we'll turn your grocery trips into strategic missions for maximum savings. To building a resilient emergency fund, life is full of surprises, and having a robust emergency fund is your financial safety net. I'll guide you through the steps to build a cushion that can weather any storm. An emergency fund is not just about preparing for the unexpected. It's about securing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. 11. Mindful spending. Let's talk about the power of mindful spending. I'll share strategies to curb impulse purchases, distinguish needs from wants, and make every dollar count towards a happier, more fulfilling life. Mindful spending is not about deprivation. It's about aligning your expenses with your values and creating a life that brings you genuine joy. 12. The joy of sharing. Our final segment, the joy of sharing. I'll encourage you to spread the budgeting wisdom. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's collectively create a society of happy hearts. The more we share, the more joy we cultivate. Let's build a community where happy hearts thrive together. That concludes our epic journey through the intricacies of managing a household on a budget. If you found these nuggets of wisdom valuable, hit that subscribe button, double tap the like button, and ring the notification bell. Twice, because once is just not enough. Stay connected with us on all social media for more behind-the-scenes antics and a daily dose of joy. And remember, if you're looking to add a touch of Espanol magic to your kids' lives, check out 2 free classes at Spanish the Fun Way Academy on OutSchool. Links are waiting for you in the description and comments below. Until our next grand adventure, keep those hearts brimming with joy, and never forget, laughter is the most cost-effective medicine. Granny Betty, signing off.